Welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So today in this video we will be learning about enrolling Android devices in Intune. So in my previous video we had a discussion about how to enroll Windows into Intune, and here we will be seeing about the Android devices. So you can let users enroll their personal devices for Intune management. So once you have completed the prerequisites and assigned user licenses, they can download the Intune Company Portal app from Google Play Store and follow the enrollment instructions in the app. So to enroll an Android device using the company portal, so we need to perform these steps. So first is install the free Intune Company Portal app from the Google Play Store. Then open the company portal app. In the company portal app, we need to sign in with our work or school account, the Microsoft account. Then follow the instructions in the given company portal. Then end user experience can vary based on the policies assigned to user or to the device by the organization. So Android Enterprise Management makes it easier to define the scope of management for a particular device. So this is helpful in balancing what information is managed by IT and what is managed by the device owner or device user or owner. So Android Enterprise Work Profile. So Intune helps you deploy apps and settings to Android work profile devices to ensure work and personal information are separate. So after enrollment, management capabilities only affect the work profile that is created on the device during enrollment. Users can install any app they choose to personal side of the device. Administrators can manage and monitor apps and actions scoped to the work profile. Note that Android work profiles are supported on only certain Android devices, not all Android devices. The third is Android Enterprise Dedicated. For corporate-owned single-use devices such as digital signage, ticket printing, or inventory management, admin locks down the usage of the device for a limited set of apps and web links. It also prevents users from adding other apps or taking other actions in the devices. Say, for example, like some organizations, they will be having this Android devices to scan the QR code in the asset to update it or to have annually auditing. So in those kind of devices, doesn't require to access to all the applications or all the URLs. So it can be admin locked for only certain applications and certain URLs that's required for this auditing or this particular work functions. So Android Enterprise Fully Managed. So for corporate, Android Enterprise Fully Managed. So for corporate owned single user devices used exclusively for work and not personal use, admins can manage the entire device and enforce policies controls unavailable for work profiles. This is not dedicated to certain job functions. It will be used similar to a normal user, but it's a company owned device, so anything managed or installed, everything is based on the enterprise or organization's policies. So it's the entire device is managed. To set up Android Enterprise, you must connect your Intune tenant account to your managed Google Play account and set up an enrollment profile based on what method of management is being used. So this is the first thing, like to set up the Android Enterprise, you must connect your Intune tenant account to the managed Google Play account. So that's the thing you must do. You must connect these both and set up enrollment profile. So based on what the management is being used. So next is enroll iOS devices in Intune. So you can let users enroll their personal devices BYOD. Here we will be seeing the enrolling the iOS devices. So first here it is first step is download and install the Intune Company Portal from Apple Play Store, same like the Android where we will be installing from the Google Play Store. Here we will be installing from the Apple Play Store. The second is just open to the company portal and sign in screen and sign in with our work and school profile. The instructions are same, and also just follow the instructions as the company portal, what the instructions in the company portal. So company owned iOS devices. So for organizations that buy devices of the year for their users, Intune supports the following iOS company-owned device enrollment methods. So Apple Business Manager, Apple's automated device enrollment, Apple School Manager, Apple Configurator, Intune Device Enrollment Manager account. So these are the possible ways for device enrollment. Then device enrollment program. So organizations can purchase iOS devices through Apple's device enrollment program. So DEP lets you deploy an enrollment profile over the air to bring devices into management. So Apple device enrollment program is an online service that automates the enrollment and configuration of Apple iOS devices to MDM. So Apple DEP is only available for devices that an organization purchases through either Apple or authorized resellers to provide to employees. So to enable the DEP enrollment, you use both the Intune and Apple DEP portal. So the list of serial numbers or the purchase order number is required. So you can assign devices to Intune for management. On the Apple DEP website, an administrator can pre-configure the device settings, including what applications and company services each device can access, and set of devices to automatically enroll to MDM. So iOS devices enrolled in DEP do not require manual configuration, and users never have to select on MDM links or install company portal to enroll the device. So if an organization allows its users to bring their own devices, the users should perform the regular iOS enrollment, what we have seen the step 1. But if the company provides the employees with iOS devices that are part of DEP program, users can enroll these devices to MDM by performing the following steps, like turn on the device, then select their language and connect to Wi-Fi. On setup of iOS screen, they want to choose like new device, restore from Intune backup or restore from cloud backup. Once connected to the Wi-Fi, the configuration screen will appear. So your company will automatically configure your device. That's how organization will configure the device. The configuration allows to manage this device over the air. An administrator can help to set up email, network accounts, install and configure apps, and manage settings remotely. An administrator may disable features and install, remove apps, monitor and restrict your internet traffic, and remotely erase the device. Configuration is provided by iOS team, our company's iOS team. So to log in with the Apple ID, logging in lets you install the company portal app and install management profile that let your company give you access to its resources such as email and apps. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Once you complete the enrollment, your device may prompt you to take more action. Some of these might be entering the password, email access, setting passcode, etc. You can enable DEP enrollment for large number of devices without ever touching them. You can ship the devices like iPhones and iPads directly to the users. When the user turns on the device, the setup assistant runs the pre-configured settings and the device enrolls into the management. So it's very easy. Just we directly ship the devices to the users and we do everything in the back end. Supervised mode. So in this, an iOS device is supervised mode can be managed with more controls, such as it's especially useful for corporate owned devices. Intune supports configuring devices for supervised mode as a part of DEP. We recommend that you can use supervised mode even though it requires more configuration compared to other iOS enrollment methods. It gives you access to many policy settings in Intune that are otherwise unavailable. Note that iOS 11 and later supervised mode should always be enabled, as support for unsupervised mode in iOS 11 are deprecated.